If you want someone to help manage your Shopify store, giving them full Collaborator access ensures they can work without restrictions. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Settings, then Users and Permissions. Click Add Staff or Add Collaborator, depending on whether the person is an internal staff member or an external collaborator. Enter their name and email address. When setting permissions, choose Full Access to allow the collaborator to manage products, orders, apps, and settings without restriction. Once the permissions are set, send the invite. The collaborator will receive an email invitation, which they must accept to gain access. After acceptance, they will have full access to your store according to the permissions you assigned. After the invitation is accepted, the collaborator will have full access to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.